Hello and welcome to Introduction to Programming. I look forward to working with each of you over this coming semester and hope that this will be a rewarding journey that we will take together as you learn JavaScript and object-oriented programming principles that will hopefully serve you throughout your NTC career and your career professionally as well. I'm going to take this time to talk about the structure of the course and in particular Blackboard. And then there will be subsequent videos that walk you through some of the details of how you are going to proceed through the course in order to make you as successful as possible. First, let's dive into Blackboard. Now, we will use Blackboard as kind of our hub, so to speak, of the course. So all of the assignments will be submitted in Blackboard, and I'll walk you through how to do that. And all of the learning plans will be available through Blackboard. You can find different videos through here and things like that to make you as successful and prepared as possible to not only pass the course, but hopefully soar through the course and learn a lot along the way. First thing is first, though, the announcements area. As you can see, I have a welcome announcement displaying right now. I will use this area periodically to communicate with each one of you, where I'll put announcements. Sometimes I'll put job postings or different events that are coming up that I feel might be of interest to you. And you should also get an email of each of these, but I'll have them here. Some I keep here permanently, like the welcome announcement. Others I'll keep there periodically, like if there's a job fair coming up. I'll have the announcement out there to show you that the job fair is occurring until after the job fair is over. Now, so you'll get the email, but periodically check back here. You'll see different announcements I have throughout the course. Now, as I state here in the welcome email, and you will get this, or if you have not already, at the beginning of the semester, don't ever hesitate to contact me if you need help, if you need assistance on any assignment. I have office lab hours available, and they'll periodically check. They'll change from semester to semester, so the ones that you see right here on your screen may not be exactly the ones that we have the semester you're taking this course, but I will have office hours available. I'm also usually available on Skype. And so you can Skype me if you don't have Skype. It's a great way to instant message and communicate back and forth. So I would recommend getting a Skype account. And you can see my Skype handle down here in my email address right there. Also, feel free to give me a call. If you want to just give me a call directly and talk voice to voice, we can do that. Or I'm always available via email. So anyway, whatever's best, easiest for you to communicate. Now, also as far as learning and using Blackboard, there is a list of Blackboard tutorials. If we go ahead and click on that, here's a bunch of tutorials like how do I submit an assignment and how do I take a test, how do I use the discussion board, all that stuff. So I'm not going to rehash any of that since I have a link there. So I would recommend going out there and taking a look at that. Now on the left-hand side, we have our course information, and I'm going to go through this in detail in subsequent videos about what each of these are, but it's basically anything having to do with the course, the syllabus, how do we use Adobe Connect, and getting certain software and things like that. The majority of your time is probably going to be spent in the learning plans. Here's where we're going to start off with Learning Plan 1 and go all the way through Learning Plan 6, learning as we go about JavaScript and programming principles. Additionally, at the top, I have a link to these video lectures. What I'm planning on doing is embedding those throughout the course. I'll have a link to them overall there, but you also find them dispersed throughout the course, throughout each learning plan as you go from learning plan to learning plan. There's also a discussion board. Within this course, you will have various topics to touch on. Now, periodically I change these, so the ones you're looking at on your screen may not be the exact ones you have in your particular semester, but I change them up periodically. But this is just a way that you can interact with each other and use this as a tool to learn how to exchange ideas. And these are graded, and I will go through that rubric at a later date. Again, you can contact me with my instructor. You can feel free to email me, give me a call. My office hours, like I said, change periodically, and I update them here. And then there's also resources for you as a student. NetTutor, support resources, tutorials, Tech Connect, a bunch of stuff here that you can use to be successful. And there's also a how-to help on how to get in touch with certain people and assistance and all that. So I look forward to this semester to working with each one of you to making you guys into better programmers and beginning your journey at NTC and the world of IT. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks and have a great day.